Okay, so in the last video, we finished up the fuel cell. We got everything going there. In this video, we're going to wire up the radiator fans, get the radiator plumbed, and basically drive this thing again. We're going to bleed the system, all that fun stuff. I want to drive it again, so let's get straight into finishing off the wiring in the front. We're not going to rewire it right now. We're going to make do with what we have, and we're basically just going to put the car back together. Hoses arrive in hours. So once that arrives, then we can get straight into plumbing the radiator itself. And then we got to do a run for the coolant and drive this thing. So yeah, let's get straight into it. As you can see, we've just kind of redone the wiring very lazily. I just want to make sure that everything runs again. So I'm going to jump into the car now. I'm going to see if the fuel pump's prime and then see if we can turn the fans off and on from the keypad like I was previously. They're already set up left and right, so we should have zero problems there. I'm just going to jump straight into it. Let's see if the battery's charged. Battery definitely not charged. We need to fix that. But, oh, it died. Okay, yeah, we're going to have to wait for this to charge a bit more before the haltech actually lets me do some fun stuff. So we'll get this charged to about 13 volts, and then we can try again.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
This is kind of the part where I wish I had two microphones currently charged, but I only have one. I'm going to jump in the car. Hopefully you can hear it prime and the fans on, but let's do this. All right, turning fans on. Oh yeah, that is so much more powerful than the other fans. I don't know if you can hear how powerful that is, but let's do this. That's wild. That's gonna be pretty crazy. I've always wanted to do this. I mean, I'm more just curious rather than like it has to be the whole thing, but turn on a fan. Battery ran out. Damn. So yeah, super happy with how that wired in. It's using all of the original wiring. We're going to clean that up at some point. I want to do a proper sub harness, do all that kind of fun stuff, but that's later. Next thing now is we're just going to wait for the radiator fittings and the hose, and then we're going to get straight into that. Hopefully we can fill up with coolant soon and go for a rip again.
One eternity later.
So I think you can see pretty clearly where this was rubbing on the hose. Now, I have an opportunity to actually fix this now, given that we have to disconnect the hoses, remeasure, all that kind of fun stuff. We got this big old snake. That's what we're going to reinstall. That needs to go to the engine, and then we're going to reroute it, put it up out of the way. We want it well and truly out of the way now. So I didn't record any of that. I've been out here for hours. I've got these fittings done. This kink I'm worried about, but you know what? We might have someone weld up a tight 90-90 to get to this one. I've marked the hoses with blue tape on where I need to cut, and I've also run both hoses. I need to mark them. They're all run. They're all kind of loosely done up. They're well and truly out of the way back here now. Yeah, so everything is, so before it was one here and then one lower. Now it's one here and one higher. I've remounted that and it all tucks in nicely under through here. I may actually zip tie them up. I don't know yet, but everything's reconnected back here. There's a hose there. We need to mark these ones where we want to cut them. We'll cut them and then we'll get the hoses. The order of operations to get this in with these hoses, I'm actually going to trim down this tab quite a bit just to give myself more room. And then they're currently going under this way. They're not hanging down. They're not the lowest point.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
I'm probably going to have to heat shield them so that the heat doesn't like radiate into the fuel cell and then boil the fuel cell. But I need to run them so that everything clears so I can easily vent out and up through the hood. So I'm going to finish off this hose, maybe this hose, and then I'm going to go. As you can see, fittings are on. I still need to take the radiator out and tighten these ones that actually go from the AN to the radiator itself. This is all tight, so we'll just untighten these ones, get this out. Blah, 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 blah. I've put the wiring up above here. We're ready to go there. And I just need to trim these and put these on, and then we're ready to actually fill up the system, but I'm going to do that another day. It's late, I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm cooling the night here. Woo. I had a massive coolant spill. We're good. As you can see, it's above the floor. They're not gonna get caught on anything. I am gonna flat bottom the front anyway, but yeah, this is looking awesome.
The next day.
I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm going to fill this car up with coolant. Hey.
Is it just me or does it sound quiet?
It's kind of. Yeah, I want to drive it tonight if all goes well.
Really? Cool.
That's a single fan.
It's working! It's working!
Okay, so with one fan, we are maintaining 184 with the hood closed, which is great. I think that's exactly what we kind of want. Operating temperature for this is 184 to 195, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's gonna get warm in here until we do the extraction through the hood. So we're gonna do that next, but I think that we have bled the system. We're ready to kind of take it for a drive. I'm gonna have to clean this real good. You can see that we have the tiniest coolant leak in this area. So I wonder if this is a better position. Yeah, that. So I just have to tighten that a little bit, and then I think we're good. Pretty happy. So now we should be pretty solid. I'm gonna let it cool down. We'll top up the swell pot to about 3/4 full, and then we're basically done. Besides that tiny little coolant leak that I just showed you, everything went okay. Yeah, really, truly happy with this. I think that we're gonna have no problems. I am gonna get warm in that cabin though, so, which is a good thing. It means it won't fog up, but regardless, it's gonna get hot. So we have to tackle cutting this bad boy. So we'll do that in a future episode, but for now I'm going to go and do solo dad duties, and then we're going to come back tonight and actually go for a rip in this. It's been a couple of days, but I'm out here now. I want to get the headlights back on, and I want to get the car back on the ground and reverse it out of the garage. That is my goal, and go.
Oh,
So my GoPro isn't charged, which sucks because I wanted to take it for a rip tonight, but I think I'm just going to pull it out into the street and get it up to temperature. Okay, so the garage is empty and we're actually going to take this car for a drive around the block, just around the neighborhood, and make sure everything's not leaking. I think the fan just kicked on. It's taken a long time to get up to temperature, which is awesome. I have my laptop ready to go, see if I want to change the fan procedures, make sure that it gets up to proper operating temp, but let's go for a quick drive.
Bada bop boom, pow.
Wow.
Oh my god!
One fan kicked on. We're now parked. Yeah, I'm happy, man. I'm happy. Well, that was eventful. I did my first proper like skid in this. Which I'm super happy about. Nothing broke. I just did a once over quickly off camera. No coolant leaking. No drive shafts broken. I'm going to call it here. I think we accomplished a lot. We still have a lot to do. I'm going to tidy up the front wiring in the next whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed it. I'm hitting up a meet on Friday. I'm really excited for it. I'm just going to start driving it and enjoying this car again. So yeah, this radiator is extremely efficient. Highly recommend for whatever you're building. I'm going to change the fan procedure to actually start at 195 because it's too good. It took a long time to warm up, just idling, perfect. And then beating on it, doing a skid, all of that. The max I saw was 186. Yeah, I'm really stoked about that. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. See ya.